Welcome to the TBO Holidays guide to setting up your agency markup. Let's see how you can add a markup to your agency profile. Simply log into your TBO Holidays account. Click on Edit Profile in the top right corner. On the left side, you'll see the option called Markup. Set your preferred percentage or amount. And don't forget to click Save Changes. But wait, there's another way to add a markup directly while booking a hotel. Start by clicking on Hotel Search. Enter your destination, like Dubai, and your travel dates. Once you've selected the hotel you want, click Book Now. Select your preferred room type. And click Book Now. Add the guest details, then move to the Booking Review section. Now click on Proceed to Booking Review. On the right-hand side, you'll find an option to add an extra markup. Enter the amount or percentage, click Apply, and you're good to go. For flight markups, hover to Flights option and click Search. Next, head to the Agency Profile section on the top right. Fill in your desired details, and hit Save. And that's it. Setting up and managing your agency markups on TBO Holidays is simple, quick, and puts you in control. Start now and make the most of your bookings.